Good afternoon, students. Today we are discussing about tree. So there are two types of data structure. One is linear data structure and another one is non-linear data structure. So a tree is a very popular non-linear data structure which organize the data in hierarchical structure, and this is a recursive definition. So tree is a non-linear data structure. In linear data structure, the data are organized in a sequential manner. But in non-linear data structure, the data are organized in recursive manner. So see here, a tree data structure is a collection of data or nodes. So a tree data structure is a collection of data or elements, and these elements are called nodes. In a tree data structure, if we have n number of nodes, then we can have a maximum of n minus 1 number of links. So in a tree data structure, if the number of nodes is n, then the links are n minus 1. Suppose one example, if a tree has 10 number of nodes, then 9 number of links are there. So this is an example of tree. So in this tree, the different nodes are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So how many nodes are there? 11 nodes are. So if the tree has 11 nodes, so how many edges are there? So in this example, there are 10 edges. See here, how many edges there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many edges there are there? 10 edges are there. So maximum of n minus 1 edge is present in this tree. Okay, so every individual element, that means A, B, C, D are known as nodes. So in this case there are 11 nodes. In tree we use the following terminology. So different terminology are used in tree. Number one is root. So what is root? In a tree data structure, the first node is called as root node. The first node is known as root node. Every tree must have a root node. So every tree has only one root node or at most one root node. The root node is the origin of the tree data structure. So the root node is the origin of any data structure. In this example, the root node is A. So see this example. In the above example, the root node is A. So see here, the root node is A. Okay. Then number two is edge. In a tree data structure, the connecting link between any two nodes is called as edge. So in a tree data structure, the connecting link, so the link between any two nodes is known as edge. In the above example, so how many edges are there? So in the above example, there are 10 edges are there. So see here, 10 edges are there. The 10 edges are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many edges are there? 10 edges are there. So see here, number 3 is parent. In a tree data structure, the node which is a predecessor of any node is called as parent node. So in tree data structure, the node which is a predecessor of any node is known as parent node. And parent node can also be defined as the node which is child or children. So in this example, see this example, in this example, so which one is parent node? A is a parent node because A has a child and that child is BC, and B is also a parent node because B has child DEF, and also E is a parent node because E has child IJ, and G is also parent node because it has only one child and that is K. So after parent node, number 4 is child. In a tree data structure, the node which is descendant of any node is called a child node. The node which is a link from its parent is called child node. So the node which is a parent node is also known as child node. So from the above example or in this example, which one is child node? B is child node, C is child node, D is child node, E child node, F child node. So G child node, A child node because it is parent node. So the node which is parent node is known as child node. Then next one is sibling. In a tree data structure, node which belong to same parent are called sibling. So the node which belong to same parent. So in the above example or in this example, B, C are two nodes and which have same parent node and that is known as A. So B, C are sibling. And another example is D, E, F has same parent node and this is B. So D, E, F are sibling. Okay. Then see here leaf. In a tree data structure, the node which does not have a child is called leaf node. A leaf node is a node with no child. So a leaf node is always a node which has no child. In a tree data structure, the leaf node are also called external nodes. So the leaf node are also known as external node. So in this example, see here, which one is leaf node? So the node D, I, J, K, F, H has no child node. So these are known as leaf node or external node. So next see here internal node. In a tree data structure, the node which has at least one child is known as internal node. An internal node is a node with at least one child. Internal node are also known as non-terminal node. So internal node are also known as non-terminal node. So see this example. So in this example, which one are internal node? So in this example, A, B, E, then C, then G are known as internal node. Okay. Why these are known as internal node? Because they have at least one child node. So this is known as internal node. Then see here degree of node. So what is degree of node? In a data structure, the total number of children of a node is called as degree of that node. Okay. So in a data structure, the total number of children present under a node is known as degree of that node. The degree of a node is total number of children it has. The highest degree node among all the nodes in a tree is called as degree of tree. So see this example. Okay. So in this example, the degree of A is 2 because how many nodes are present under A? There are two nodes B and C are present under A. So degree of A is 2. So see here degree of B is 3 because how many nodes are present? 3 nodes. So D, E, F. Okay. So degree of C is 2. So how many nodes are present? 2 nodes are present. So degree of G is 1 because only one node is present. Okay. So this is known as degree of node. So what is the degree of tree? Degree of tree means the maximum number of node present under a tree or under a node. The maximum number. So in this case, the maximum number present is 10. So here the degree of tree is 10. Okay. Thank you.